Hey, Kathleen here. As a fellow homeowner, I understand that when you don't have an entire house humidifier, your rooms and your air gets dry. You get drier nasal passages, eyes, throat, skin, and that's what we lived with for a good number of years until we got a whole house humidifier and we got an Aprilaire. And this is our second one. We've been in this house for 30 years, so we had one for, I don't know, let's say 10 years, and then we've had this one for a number of years. So we have had a whole house humidifier since we just couldn't tolerate the dryness anymore, especially in the winter. And the thing that we love about it is it's doing the whole house. It's not just doing the bedrooms at night. It's doing the whole house. It's doing the kitchen. It's doing the family room. It's doing the study, so that we're getting the humidity all day and throughout the whole house. Now, sometimes I do put a smaller version in the bedroom just to give it a little more, especially a bedroom that the airflow isn't as good in there, because when the air flows, that's when you're getting the humidity, when the heat is on. So we do have one bedroom that doesn't get great airflow for some reason. So I do put an extra humidifier in there. But otherwise, the humidifier does do a great job. We have the 700M. This is the 700 manual versus the 700A, which is automatic. And the difference there is we have this little panel here where we have to adjust the humidity level based on the temperature outside. So ours is manual, not a big deal. The automatic does it automatically for you. You don't have to do this. So that's wonderful. This panel, this water panel, gets replaced every year, and you just open up this door and replace the water panel. So you can watch videos on how to do that. Every few years, there's black casing around here, and you would look to see if it gets scaly, then you would replace the whole thing. But for the most part, you're replacing this once a year with the colored spot towards the top. But again, you can watch videos on how to replace that. For us, it is very challenging because our door is so tight here, but we are able to get in there, open it, and replace the panel once a year. So we love having the extra humidity throughout the house. It has made such a difference, and we highly recommend it.